Phutbol nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Jingïalehkai para lok hapadeng ginong mi khmat bat ka kinhun ki dikhot ka Association Phutbol kala Pynshongshit igi pat ba nongwan petkai ka bala long ha kasngi palai hadian baladap ban pli ka madan football ne artificial grass pathamai hadian chenrum ha East Jante Hills ha kani ka Jingïalehkai la yishim bantado Myntri sarkar jilla ba kermen shalla badeu MLA ka klerian ki MDC kinong yalam shnong bat kiwe
come through. It's the effort of everyone since the beginning. We formed the sports association. Since then, they have worked tirelessly to achieve this dream to have a good football ground. Because what happened, most of the time we have seen and we witnessed that the East Jante Hills district have produced lots of players which play national, international, at the state level and district level. So for that, we feel that the need of the hour that to have a good football ground where we can give as a present to the football players who love football, so that they can have and then they can practice and then show the skill, the talent which they hide inside them. Because what happened, though we have our talent, unless we get the material to utilize it, to show to the world, it will not come out. So I believe that with all the contribution and the hard work of the elders, so to name all the ex-MLAs and the MDCs, ex-MDCs and the stakeholders of our district who contribute, I would like to thank each and every one of them for contributing and then for encouraging the youth. No doubt, though this football it came at my tenure, my term, but the hard work is equal, has given by everyone. So I wish the best of luck to all the football lovers and to the children and the youth of the East Jante Hills. We believe that with this football ground, they can do a lot more to show their talent to the world. So I wish them congratulations and best of luck in near future. With this kind of hard work, we contribute and join contribution. I believe that in every 5 years, if I become an MLA, if I get a chance to save my people of the district and the constituency as a whole, so I believe that in every 5 years, we would like to give as a gift to the youth of our district. Every 5 years, one football turf.